Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Sharma, a skin, hair and nail clinic attached to Chirag Hospital in JP Nagar, Bangalore. So, chemical peel and laser are treatments which are used for many overlapping conditions. Chemical peel is budget friendly. It can be done anywhere. You don't need expensive 50 lakhs, 1 crore rupee lasers. You just need peel solutions. Peel solutions are not very cheap, but definitely compared to a laser, it's much cheaper. So it can be done anywhere. It can be done, you just need a room and you just need a bed and you need the peel solutions. The temperature doesn't matter, whether you have air condition doesn't matter, whether you have a good electrical system doesn't matter. All this is important for lasers. So lasers are usually done in high-end clinics in metro cities or wherever there's people who are able to afford these procedures, whereas chemical peel can be done even in small villages or in big cities. Both give very similar results, but it depends on what we are trying to treat. Suppose a patient has oily skin, lot of pimple marks, then we would start with chemical peel. Laser is not going to be very helpful for such patients. If a person has melasma, that is pigmentation in the cheeks and nose, then we can do peels and lasers. But lasers are going to be more helpful in melasma, because in melasma we don't want to irritate the skin. The advantage of lasers, especially non-ablative lasers or pigmentary lasers, is that they don't damage the top layers of the skin, they directly act on the lower layers. So the laser goes through the top layer and it starts acting at the lower layers. Whereas chemical peel takes off layer by layer by layer and then it goes to the lower layers. It literally peels out the skin layer by layer. So peels have one peeling effect and the solution goes inside without peeling as well. That has effect on reducing pigmentation in conditions like melasma. So we choose the type of patient. A patient with sensitive and dry skin would be better candidate for laser. Patient with thick hard skin would be better candidate for peel. Patient who wants quick improvement, better candidate for laser. Patient who doesn't mind that it takes more time, better candidate for peel. Patient who comes to a very high-end setup which has laser, better candidate for laser. Patients who are in rural areas, better candidate for peels. Patients who affordability is not an issue, money is not an issue, for them lasers are better. For those whose affordability is an issue, peels are better. Sensitive areas where we cannot do laser like eyelids, there peels can be done. Other areas, sensitive areas where peels cannot be done like underarms or inner thighs, their lasers are better. So we have to choose what condition patient presents with and then decide whether they have to go for a laser treatment or for a chemical peel.